Friends, welcome Popo Live. How to join agency? Just step 1, click my agency and join hosting. Very easily and easy method 1, join agency. Click now my agency and very easy method how to join hosting or agency. Click and please enter agent ID and typing. I copy and paste my description box. Okay my friend, and paste. This is coin seller agent. Okay, and next click now, please enter agent ID. Okay, I click, please enter agent ID and last finishing confirm. This is confirm and click now and join agency and become host. Okay, congratulations Jannat Zubir. I joined this agency. So you become now agency, join my agency code and check description box. Okay, thank you so much. My WhatsApp number I already typing my description box. Thank you so much.